Good afternoon to those who are listening. It is January 31st, 2018, 12:51 p.m. And the birds started squawking really bad. They sound upset, so I figured maybe it's time to check and see what's going on outside. On the lower down to -2. It looks like I got rainbows again. Rainbow around the sun simulator, whatever you want to call it. It won't let me zoom in. Why? Can't be that hot already. Whoa, what was that? The sun looks kind of shaped. I don't know what the heck is going on. There was a little period, like a half an hour or more, that went by where there was no colors around the sun. I took some pictures. It looks like multi-layer rainbows. I can't tell really well. I don't know if I'm breathing in something. I got double mask on, but I don't trust the air out here. So I will just make it another short video. But those birds are upset. Does it look like it's kind of smashed on the bottom there? Bottom left side? Maybe it's just me. Looks like there's some kind of a... I don't know if it's a ray or it's just... Can't tell. Whoa, it looks really funny. I wish I could see it better. Through my camera, that is. Alright, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. God bless.